In this video, you'll learn how to humanize ChatGPT text completely for free, so let's get started. As you can see right here, I asked ChatGPT to write a short story about the origins of AI. It's completely AI generated, so let's just check this with an AI detector. Let's copy this text and run it through the AI detector. Then we can click on Detect AI, and as of right now, it says that 100% of the text is likely AI. So what we have to do now is grab this copied text and go to GPTs on the left sidebar. There you can search for Humanize AI. Right now it's trending, but if it's not, you can just look it up in the search bar. Then you can click on Humanize AI and click Start Chat. Paste the text we just generated and send it. It will say Talking to Connector and you'll get a question. Humanize AI wants to talk to plugin.gptinf.com. Go ahead and click Confirm. It says Talking to the plugin gptinf.com, and there it will generate a humanized version of the text we just created. So we can copy this text, then go back to the AI detector. Delete the original text we put in, paste the new humanized version, and click on Detect AI again. And there you go, it says 0% of the text is likely to be AI. So this is by far the easiest and most convenient way to humanize your AI-generated text. Because you're staying within Humanize AI and now on the left sidebar, you've already started the conversation. So any text you generate from here can be dropped in, and it will automatically humanize the text. It's very fast and super easy to do. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.